Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the market sense for the week of December 6, 2016. The charts in this presentation and that I stare at all day come from the Trade Navigator software. We have a rather unusual situation this week in both markets in that they may have totally locked me out from doing anything all week before they even opened Monday morning. This is the bonds here, and after this big week down, I thought this was probably sort of a climax of some kind and they would rally back from here. They've done an extremely poor job of doing that. Now, that doesn't mean that they can't, rally from here still, but this is disappointing at best, and it may mean they have another leg down to go. Coming into this week here, we were looking at 149.28 as potential support and about 151.16 as potential resistance, and they essentially traded those like right away. I mean, Sunday night. So, heck, they could go down to 148.08. They could go up to 153.12. But they may have already done everything they're going to do for the week. There's just not a lot of probabilities that we can generate out of what we've seen here. It's kind of disappointing, but there's just not much to see. We can look down here at the momentum indicator, which literally since the high has been negative. Of course, that indicates the momentum is down, and it still could mean that it's time for a turn up because it's been that way so long. But again, they're not going up. So, really just sort of nothing to do here. It's very frustrating. And stocks aren't a lot different. We came into this week looking at 2204 as resistance and 2190 as potential support. They exceeded both of those by a bunch Sunday night. They had more support down here at the lower moving average, 2171 or 2. They did not get there. And, anything else that as they go up here to the Keltner channel or anything else, this is new all-time highs. And I'm certainly not going to sell new all-time highs. That's, somebody who has a death wish for their account. So again, we're kind of locked out of doing anything. It is a market just going sideways for the last 3 weeks here. But that's sideways at new all-time highs, so it's just not something you really want to argue with. Whether it's impressive or not, it's new all-time highs. Sorry, broken record, but that's a standard rule. Don't want to sell that. So, I think we're kind of locked out here again. And again, I'm frustrated. So that's really all I'm looking at here, and I hope you can find something for yourself to make some money this week.